On February 9, 2020, the Cebu City Cultural and Historical Affairs Commission unveiled the new name of the 3rd Avenue, Edgar Cokaliong Street. Edgar Cokaliong was a shipping magnate who engaged in textile and shipping business and had helped shaping Cebu City's economic growth. Edgar Sanz Chester, the Chief Operating Officer of Cokaliong Shipping Lines Incorporated, says it is a fulfillment of a promise he gave to his 83-year-old mother. It took 10 years for that promise to be fulfilled. Cebu City Mayor Edgar Labella, who was then a city councilor, passed a resolution 10 years ago for the 3rd Street to be named after Edgar Cokaliong. But the resolution was only approved last year.
I'd like to acknowledge our beloved Mayor, Edgardo Labella, Vice Mayor, and also the Chuck Chairman. Chuck is the Historical and Cultural Affairs Commission. Vice Mayor Rama is the Chairman. I'd like to acknowledge also the majority floor leader of the Cebu City Council. My father was able to inculcate to his children humility, discipline, and wisdom, to which present as of today with the children of Edgar Cokaliong has been practicing. As this simple man was not well to do then, but was able still to contribute to the less fortunate in the city of Cebu in behalf of the Cokaliong family, in behalf of my mother, my brothers, and the surviving brothers and sisters of my father, led by Johnny Ko, Jose Ko, my father's sisters, Mary and Elena. We would like to thank those responsible for making this happen. We waited for this for 10 years. So this street naming is not easy.
The Cokaliong family's contribution to the growth and welfare of Cebu City, its importance cannot be overemphasized. And they say that you can tell the tree by its fruits. Makit-an kuno nimo ug unsa kalig-on ang usa ka kahoy gikan tungod sa iyang mga bunga. Ang mga bunga mao kana si Chester Cokaliong ug ang iyang mga kaigsuonan who are successful in the respective fields of endeavor. So we honor Edgar Cokaliong. It's but fitting and proper. There is no doubt. He was a simple man, but he was married to a very enterprising woman, a disciplined woman, a teacher, a magna cum laude in mathematics. It was a perfect combination for this city to have the Cokaliong family, who has contributed a lot in the growth, development, and progress of Cebu City.
Edgar Cokaliong is the man that we have to remember, for without him, there'd be no Chester. And without him, there'll be no shipping. And without, of course, the matriarch, there'll be no Chester.
The Cebu City Resolution 2549 says the demise of Edgar Cokaliong in 1989 did not have a negative effect on Cebu's economic growth. In fact, Cebu City's economy continues to flourish. The Edgar Cokaliong Foundation Incorporated has been providing scholarship grants to Cebu City's less privileged but deserving students. The Edgar Cokaliong Street stretches 550 meters, starting from the area where Robinson's Galleria now occupies, passing by the Cokaliong Tower and ends in the area at the back of Sugbotel.